come visit us here at the Botanic Garden at Oklahoma State University, don't forget to check out our formal sensory garden. But really, any garden that you visit is about experiencing that garden using your senses. Dr. Shelley Mitchell, Extension Specialist for Horticulture and Youth Development, is here to share some fun ideas to get those kids out there exploring the garden using their senses.
Okay, like Casey said, you can turn any garden, or any piece of earth for that matter, into a sensory garden or a scavenger hunt using your senses. So if you're looking for something to keep the kids occupied and you want something for the kids to do that'll make them observe better, you can use a scavenger hunt. So these are examples of boards you can find online. These are just on bandanas, but you can also make your own. So you can take a piece of poster board or a piece of paper and brainstorm different things you know might be out there. So for instance, touch. You can have them look for a fuzzy caterpillar. Or you could say, go find a buzzing insect. Or you could say, like, here's a smell a pinch of soil. Or take a deep breath and get some clean air. So these are just some ideas. You can look for insects, you can look for tree parts, you can look for flowers, you can look at cactus spines. But when you use any kind of sensory scavenger hunt, you're really letting the kids use their senses of observation. So for example, if you want to use this as a game, what you can do is you can make it like a bingo game. And so you could have a kid or a group of kids form a team, and somebody could be mulch and somebody could be rocks. And as you find different things on the board, you can put your piece on it. So let's say you found some insect eggs. Then, the rock team found some insect eggs. And then the mulch team, they found a gall, which is a swelling around insect eggs laid in a plant, so like oak leaf galls. So they'd put their little mulch piece here. And then the rock team also found a gall. All right? And so then as you find different things, the teams would come and they would put their pieces. And then as soon as one team gets a bingo, then you come back and you either you take them to where you found the insect galls, or if you have a leaf that you can bring, you bring that. And all the kids go over all the things people found, and so they all get to benefit from everybody's powers of observation, and they all get a little chance to look at nature just a little bit more in depth. Another thing you can do, which is completely free, is use those paint chips that you collected when you were deciding what colors to paint your walls or your furniture or whatever it is you're painting. Or you can just go to the paint stores, like the big box stores, and they'll usually let you have these for free. So what you can do is you can see if you can find these colors in the garden. And at first, you're like, where am I going to find those shades? But you'll be surprised at how easy it is to match these shades almost exactly. So we'll take one here. This one, for instance. And this one we happen to find on a little cluster of flowers. So those little flowers are about the same color as that paint chip card. Bench, bittersweet orange. Cactus, candy stripe red paint swatch. Indian blanket, atomic red paint swatch. Pot, blue, prove me wrong. So as you can see, no matter what you have around you, you can make a really fun scavenger hunt and use your senses to explore your world.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.